Okay, guys, so I got a couple of support tickets come in because we were promoting Links Robot and Social Ranker and 301 Redirector and Link Indexer as part of a funnel in a unique SEO system. The beauty of this system is that you can do everything really quickly, but it still has to be done correctly. Okay, so we got sent a link over to a Black Hat forum post, and the forum post was really not complimentary about social ranker at all. So let me do a video demo explaining exactly how to use it, and you will understand by the end of this video how to use it properly, and you will see what I see. Okay, some of the forum comments I can't do anything about. I think they said something about not enough links as what was promised. I've just spoken to AB Hannon. He's told me that that was at the beginning and it's fixed, so that's fine. Whenever I've used it, I've got what I was supposed to get as far as the links, and we will see it live here when we do this demo as well. Okay, now second point is the quality of the links. Okay, someone on that forum post saying I wouldn't send those shitty links to my site. Well, you don't send them to your site. The second tier links, mate. The second tier links. You've got to do it in the right way. A lot of people are using GSA and they're sending all kinds of links to tier 1 kind of properties, and that's the way we need to use it. But watch how I do it, and hopefully this will help you to understand things correctly. Now if I'm in YouTube right now. Now if I click on any video that I've got in here, and just go to the public page and just put pause on that. I haven't run Vidattack Alpha to these yet. Now you can see here I've got a video and I've got one link in description. Okay, just one link in description. Why? Because this video is not even a good quality video. I created it with a web application that pulls in pictures and some text from the web page from Amazon, for example, and it's good enough for using for the purpose of backlinking. Okay, I don't really want this video to rank, or if it does rank, I don't want it to be ranking long term. So how do we use it? Easy, very easy. Right, when we're in here, first rule, one link in description. Okay, make sure you got your main keyword in your title. Make sure your tags as well are combinations of words that can be found in title. There should be no words in your tags that is not in the title. So for example, I might have this full headline for tag number 1. Tag number 2 might be top selling women's mongoose bikes. Okay, tag number 3 might be women's mongoose mountain bikes, etc. And just do variations of phrases you can create from within your title. Okay, discover top mongoose mountain bikes. Okay, and you can do it any way you want as long as all the words within your tags are within the title. Okay, just try and make up some variations, right? And then make sure you've got your title in your description. Okay, I don't really go deeply into descriptions anymore. It's been proven that it's not really making a hell of a lot of difference. Okay, it does if you do it like this. Very short description, one link in here. Make sure you got your full title and use the tags the way I suggested. Okay, that's step number 1. Okay, step number 2, come over to the public page, click on the share button, and what do we see? We got Facebook, we got Twitter, we got Google+, we got Blogger, we got Reddit, we got Tumblr, we got Pinterest, we got LinkedIn, and there's a couple of looks like Russian kind of sites in here that I don't have any accounts for, so I'm not going to bother with those. Okay, what we want to do is pretty simple. We want to click through. Okay, let's do Pinterest first because we can get a lot of traffic from Pinterest. Okay, let me just actually move over to another. Let's just bring this over here. I thought I was logged in there. Okay, so let's just come over to this one here. So I've actually got Social Ranker one here, and I've actually got this open. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this video because I was testing it before. Okay, so I'll click on share, and what we'll do is we'll click on Pinterest first. Okay, we can choose the board that we want to post it on, and I'm going to choose the top one in here. Okay, and that's been posted, and now I'm going to click on see it now. Okay, so my video is embedded on Pinterest. Now, I'm not finished yet with Pinterest. What I want to do is I want to click on this so I can do some editing. And I'm going to go to this little Chrome extension up here. And this video is all about Links Robot, which is 301 redirect links. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in here 301 redirect backlinks. This pin keyword finder tool. I'll tell you how to get it at the end of the video, okay? Okay, nothing coming back. Let's just do backlinks. Let's just do backlinks. Okay, so now we've got these keywords come back. Okay, this is searching within Pinterest. So I'm going to take these keywords and I'm going to put them into my description in here. Don't forget I went over to the page where the video is in Pinterest. Okay, and what I did is click on the edit button at the top there, and then I used this little Chrome extension to get these back to get these keywords, so we can get found for these keywords in Pinterest. Now Pinterest gets about 2 billion searches per month. Okay, does a lot of traffic, serious amount of traffic we can get from Pinterest. Okay, I've got my link in here to the YouTube video as well, and what I can do, I can put in a link also to my blog post, so I can go over to my website, I can click on this link that is talking about 301 redirects and Links Robot, etc. You can get a coupon on that post. Okay, and I'll come back over to Pinterest and I'm going to put that link in here because that is a good tier 1 link. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so this pin address is here. Okay, this pin address is here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it into, let's go to here first. Okay, so don't forget with Social Ranker we got unlimited campaigns. So I've got my pin address here, and let's just double check this pin address and let's go over to Opera just to make sure it's not a URL they gave me when I log in. No, it's actually there. Okay, great. So we've confirmed that. Right, now we can put in some keywords. Okay, now we have our keywords in here, but I'll just click on that one more time. No, not in here. I need to go back up here. Okay, so I'm just going to put in backlinks one more time. Click on submit. Copy that. Now I've got some pipe characters in there I don't really want, so I'll just quickly bring this over here and I'll just copy that pipe character. I'll click on edit, replace, put the pipe character in there, replace all, and we got rid of that. Okay, so now we can do it like this. Oh, did a mistake there, just bear with me. I know it's taking a little bit of time, but don't worry. Okay, I don't know why we got 3 different backlinks, 4 different backlinks spelled pretty much the same way. Anyway, let's just take these keywords. And we're going to put some keywords in here. Now, there's other ways you can do this. You can use a keyword tool if you want to use a keyword tool for this. We're going to use some other ones. 301 redirects, authority, backlinks, fast indexing, keywords like that. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. You get the picture. Now, what we're going to do is come over here and we're going to look for search engine optimization. Link quality, quantity, we're going to choose 200. Drip feed, we're going to do it over 2 days, and we're going to submit our campaign. Okay. So we have done that already right now. I'm going to click on this where it says task report. Open in a new window. This one is pending. Okay, so let's have a look at some previous ones, because let's see if we're getting 48 or we're getting a whole bunch more than that. Let's have a look. Let's have a look in here. See what we're actually getting here. We've got 219 links. Okay, 219 links. Right, now that I will just keep down there, and I will come back later so that I can get this links report for my Pinterest post links. Okay, so we have used this to be able to get probably about 200 links. Okay, and we know that we can get the task reports when this refreshes up here. It's probably still posting. Let's have a look anyway. Yeah, still posting. And he's increased the amount of links that you can get. That means that AB has actually, more than likely, I would imagine, he has increased the amount of websites that he pulls from, that he's going to be doing the links from. Okay, so we've got that link done. I'm going to take it again, and I'm going to put it through Links Robot. So I'll just click on add a project. Okay, build 500 links, put the URL, put my keywords again. Let's see, I'm going to put 301 redirects, second tier links. Let's see. Doesn't matter what we put in here, what these keywords are. To be honest, let's just, tell it for what it is, what we're using it for. Okay. Backlinks for YouTube videos. Let's see. Tiered linking system, fast, easy backlinks. Okay, that will do. We've got 5 in there, and we can come down, and we're going to choose internet marketing. Okay, we can choose do follow, or we can mix it up. I'll choose do follow. Okay, and we're going to do follow links to our Pinterest. Click on proceed, and give it time. It's at 10%, now 50%, 75%. Done. Click on continue. Now we have our links. Okay, so I'm just going to copy these. Copy, start a new txt file, and it's over here. Okay, I'll call it Links Robot Links to Pinterest, just for example, so you can so I can find it later. And we're going to index them later. Right now, what we can do is come back over here. So we have done Pinterest, and we've done 650 backlinks to Pinterest. Okay, so let's do the same with let's do Blogger next. Blogger, and you can see our video is embedded in there. We can put a link in here to our web page, because it's going to be a tier 1. Okay, and we can also put a link to a video underneath, even though it's embedded, and the embed will have the link to the video as well, otherwise it wouldn't know which video to post, okay? So we're just going to publish this as well. Post has been published, okay? View the blog. Come in here, go into the post. Actually, that's my post there. So this headline here is actually linking right direct to my website, which is kind of weird. Anyway, let's just take the whole blog spot, copy that, okay. That should have its own URL, that post, should it not? Kind of weird. Alright, so we'll just take this one. What we'll do is we'll go back over social ranker now. Where's that tool gone? Here. So this time, I'll refresh the page. Actually, no, I will just change the URL here. See if I can do that. We'll keep the same settings. Category will make search engine optimization. Alright, submit the campaign. Campaign submitted successfully. Okay, so we can take the same link, go to links robot, and we can add a campaign. Again, it's good to have your keywords. If you've got your keywords all in order, then it's going to be a lot easier to work with. Okay, copy like that. Paste these in. Select category. Oh, that's social ranker. Should be in here. Links robot. I get confused because they've got similar. Dashboard. Add a project. Choose a number of links. Okay, so we've got a URL, which is the blogger URL we're going to take, okay. Let's see the blogspot post. Copy. Links robot. URL. Keywords. Okay, so this time separated by a comma. Okay, so we're going to do SEO, backlinks, second tier, backlinks. I don't really care what I do in here for these tags. It's not that important. Main thing is we're getting the links. We're just building some diversity into any anchor text. I think that's what is happening there. Click on proceed. Okay, and we get 500 links. And again, we can go ahead and save it. Now, if you're going to do that with 3 or 4 of these, then it's going to work quite well for you. Yeah. If I click on the embed and I copy that embed code, or I can click down here to copy. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google Sites and I'm going to click on embed. And we can take the video URL because it doesn't want the embed code. Of course it doesn't. Okay, you can see the embed is actually ready here. I just need to get rid of that for now. I'm going to just grab that, come over here, put the video URL in here. Insert the video, okay, and we can put in as well some text if we want. So the text, we can take link, come over here, put a text in there, click on publish. Okay, I'm just going to refresh this. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Untitled page. So let's just fix. Oh, that's a different page. Okay, this is me trying to figure out Google Sites a few weeks ago. Okay, more. Let's see. A link. Copy. Published site link. Okay, I'm going to copy this link. Then I'm going to go back over to Social Robot, and I'm going to paste this in here. Submit the campaign. Oh, I forgot to choose a category. campaign posted successfully. Okay, links robot now. Add a project. Build 500 backlinks. Put the URL. Put some keywords. SEO, backlinks, second tier linking, fast SEO, easy SEO. Okay, choose a category again. Internet marketing. Proceed. Okay, that's done. We click on continue. I forgot to do that the last time. And we get that report. So I'm just going to add a new project in here. And this time, I'm going to take the video URL just itself. 500 links. Now, ideally, when you're doing things like your tags, you're going to have your tags from doing your YouTube videos. Usually when I'm uploading my video, I'm going to start making tags from my title, and I keep them there. I keep them commerce separated. I have a spin text version so I can use with the Alpha SEO tools when I'm using video sharing site links to backlink the YouTube video, etc., etc. So when I've got that automation in the software, I need to move fast. Okay, so I usually have all that. For this purpose, I'm just making stuff up as I go along here. Okay, something like that, doesn't really matter. Okay. Internet marketing, do follow, proceed. The good thing is we're not limited. We've got no limitations at all with this. Now you could teach a VA to do this. It wouldn't take a lot of time. If they've got everything set up, then it's going to be pretty quick for them to run through this. And here I've got my links. Okay, so I've got quite a few campaigns going on here. Let's just go and grab that URL again. We'll come into Social Ranker, replace that, select my category. Okay, submit the campaign. Okay, we're done. Now I can go over to the task reports and you can see pending and processing. Right, so we've done 4 campaigns really quickly. What did we do? Well, basically, all we did, we made a post over to Pinterest. Okay, and with Pinterest, we added some keywords for the Pinterest search engine, okay, using that keyword tool. We made a post into Blogger doing the same thing. We made a post into Google Sites doing the same thing, okay. We could go and do Google Plus as well. We could just put a link into Google Plus, and we can do exactly the same thing, get the Google Plus URL, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so we click on post. Okay, I need to go to Google Plus profile to get the link for that, but it's been posted, and you can do the same thing. So what we're doing, we've got links going into the video, we got links going into the Pinterest that's linking to the video and also linking to the blog post. Okay, we've done the same with Google Plus, with Blogger, and you can go ahead and do it for the rest of these as well if you want to. Okay, that's the way that I use this system. There is no links going direct to my blog that I don't want. Okay, there's only links from Pinterest, from YouTube, now from Blogger, from Google Plus, and we can do it from Twitter and from the rest of them. This is normal syndication that, you know, the big influencers are using, so there's nothing wrong with that. But what we are doing is we're building another system in the back end where we're using 650, actually 700 now, unique domains to backlink to those social properties. So there's 700 links going to YouTube, 700 links going to Pinterest, 700 to Blogger, 700 to Google Sites, etc., etc., etc. And you can build that ring around there. And if you have everything organized to begin with, and you have a step-by-step system for VA, they could probably run through that in about 15 minutes for you. Okay, even if it took them half an hour, you know, it's good enough, isn't it? So that way you are building everything around the YouTube video. So we need to start with the YouTube video first so that we can go out from there, because we know we can go and post that, embed that video into those other properties and do those instant backlinking. That's how I use it. That's the system I use to use it. Do not use tools like Links Robot and Social Ranker to link direct to your web page. Okay, this is a safer way to use it. It makes more sense, and you're building that little second tier and first tier and second tier ring around your YouTube video. And also you're kind of creating a link wheel there as well for using it all as first tier, because if we're using links from Pinterest and we're using links from Google sites, etc., linking in to a money site, but we're using Social Ranker and Links Robot for the second tier, then we're building that little tiered linking system, and it's almost like a link wheel. Okay, hope that makes sense. It's nothing hard, nothing to be worried about if you use it just the way that I've shown you, and it's pretty easy. There's nothing difficult. Get a VA to do it, or be willing to spend 10-15 minutes yourself. Just have all your links ready to begin with. It's going to be a lot easier. So normally what I would do if I was going to do this, or what I will be doing when I set this up, I've actually got in my browser here, you can see I've set this up. I've actually got 3 here. I've got another one called My IAM Syndicator, and that's the one from Luke, and this one lets you do 1 per day, and that goes to the YouTube video. Now I don't have the login right now. I'm waiting for Luke to send me again because I've lost my login. When I go in there, that's going to get me a whole bunch of Web 2.0 links, and also he's got a PBN link in there as well, and it works pretty well. I've ranked with just this before for a YouTube video, and that works pretty well. So that goes just to the YouTube video, so it can get more power from the video as well, because everything is linking into the video from those other social sites. Okay, any questions, you can send them into support, but nothing difficult here, guys. It's just using stuff in the right way. Now we've got all these links here we can put into an indexer. Okay, if you've got Link Indexer, again from AB, who created this, then what you've got is a whole bunch of redirect links here that you can put for Link Index, and it's only got a one-time cost on that. Okay, it's not a monthly cost like most indexes, so that's going to be perfectly good enough for doing a 3rd tier link. Okay, a 3rd tier linking structure, it's good enough. If you want to go and use 1 hour indexing or any other ones, go ahead. You know, it's up to you. If you got the API for those you got the credits for them, fine. But if you haven't got an index and you don't want to pay monthly, Link Index is good enough for using for 3rd tier links like this. Really, it's good enough, and all we're doing is we're backlinking our backlinks. Alright, I'll see you later.